morning, little Tara happily waited for her beloved school bell to ring. The cheerful bell always filled every child's heart with excitement and smiles. One rainy morning, Tara noticed something strange. The bell stayed completely silent. Confused children waited nervously, wondering why school hadn't started yet. Little kids became frightened, but Tara gently comforted everyone with hopeful smiles. She quietly remembered an old handbell her grandfather once showed her. A smart idea sparkled, and Tara hurried toward the school office confidently. She politely asked her teacher, who happily trusted Tara's thoughtful plan. Holding the tiny brass bell carefully, Tara smiled with brave determination. Ring, ring! The joyful sound echoed, bringing hope across the entire playground. Every child quickly formed neat lines, smiling as school finally began happily. The principal proudly thanked Tara for her courage, kindness, and quick thinking. Everyone applauded the tiny girl whose smart action helped the whole school. Tara learned true leaders create hope whenever others wait for someone else. The moral of the story is true leadership isn't about being the biggest. It's about using courage, kindness, and smart thinking to help others when they need it most.